Have you ever wondered how to buy Bitcoin? Welcome to the fascinating world of Bitcoin, a digital currency that's taking the world by storm. Bitcoin is a unique form of money, created in 2009 by an anonymous person using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. It operates on a technology called blockchain, a public ledger containing all transaction data from anyone who buys Bitcoin. Bitcoin's appeal lies in its potential to become a global currency, free from government control and the traditional banking system. It's like gold, but in digital form. Over the past decade, it has gained enormous popularity and has been embraced by many as a new asset class. Some hail it as the future of finance, while others see it as a risky, volatile investment. But one thing's for certain, Bitcoin has the potential to change the way we think about and use money. Now that we've covered what Bitcoin is, let's dive into how you can buy it. Before you can buy Bitcoin, you need a place to store it. This is where a digital wallet comes in. A digital wallet is like a bank account for your Bitcoin. It allows you to send, receive, and store Bitcoin securely. But instead of storing physical currency, it stores digital information, like the private keys you'll use to access your Bitcoin. There are several types of digital wallets you can choose from. Let's go over a few of them. First, there are online wallets. These are web-based wallets that you can access from anywhere with an internet connection. They're convenient and easy to use, but they can be vulnerable to online threats. If you're going to use an online wallet, make sure to choose one with strong security features. Next, there are hardware wallets. These are physical devices that store your Bitcoin offline. They're more secure than online wallets because they're less susceptible to hacking. However, they can be more expensive and less convenient to use since you have to carry them around with you. Finally, there are mobile wallets. These are apps you download on your smartphone. They're convenient because you can use them on the go, but like online wallets, they can be vulnerable to threats. Setting up a digital wallet is relatively straightforward. For an online wallet, you'll typically create an account on a wallet provider's website. For a hardware wallet, you'll need to purchase the device, then follow the manufacturer's instructions to set it up. For a mobile wallet, you simply download the app and follow the prompts to create your wallet. Regardless of the type of wallet you choose, remember to keep your private keys safe. These are like the passwords to your Bitcoin, and if you lose them, you could lose access to your Bitcoin forever. Once you've set up your digital wallet, you're ready to buy Bitcoin. Remember, the wallet is just a tool. It's how you use it that will determine your success in the world of Bitcoin. Now that your wallet is set up, the next step is to choose a Bitcoin exchange. A Bitcoin exchange is essentially a digital marketplace where you can trade Bitcoin for traditional currencies, like the US dollar or other cryptocurrencies. Think of it as a stock market, but for Bitcoin. Choosing the right Bitcoin exchange can be a bit daunting, especially with so many options available. But don't worry, we're here to help you navigate through this. There are a few factors you should consider when selecting an exchange. First up, security. Bitcoin exchanges are a hot target for hackers. Therefore, it's crucial to choose an exchange that prioritizes security. Look for features like two-factor authentication, encryption, and cold storage, where Bitcoin is stored offline. Next, consider the fees. Every Bitcoin exchange charges different fees for trading. Some may charge for deposits and withdrawals, while others may have hidden fees. It's important to understand the fee structure before you start trading. User-friendliness is another key factor. If you're a beginner, you'll want an exchange with an intuitive and easy-to-use interface. You don't want to be stuck trying to figure out how to make a trade while the price of Bitcoin is fluctuating. Lastly, consider the exchange's reputation. You can gauge this by reading online reviews and forums. Popular Bitcoin exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken have built a strong reputation over the years. They offer a variety of features and have robust security measures in place. However, these are just examples, and it's always important to do your research. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all exchange. What works best for you depends on your specific needs and circumstances. You might prioritize low fees, while someone else might prioritize user-friendliness. So, take your time to evaluate your options. Don't rush in, and most importantly, never invest more than you can afford to lose. After selecting an exchange that suits your needs, you're ready for the next step, buying Bitcoin. You've got your wallet, you've chosen an exchange, now comes the exciting part, buying Bitcoin. So let's get down to the business of acquiring some Bitcoin. The first step is to fund your account. This can be done through various payment methods such as bank transfers, credit or debit cards, or even other cryptocurrencies. Keep in mind that the available options will depend on the exchange that you've chosen, as not all exchanges accept all forms of payment. Once your account is funded, it's time to place your order. This might sound complex, but it's actually quite straightforward. You'll simply enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy into the appropriate field. Remember, you don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. You can buy fractions of a Bitcoin, so don't worry if you can't afford a full one. Many people can't. Before you confirm your purchase, double-check the details. Have you entered the correct amount? Are you happy with the current market price? If all looks good, go ahead and hit that buy button. Here's where a bit of patience comes in. Depending on the exchange and the state of the market, your order may not be filled immediately. It could take a few minutes or, in some cases, a few hours. Don't panic. This is completely normal. While you wait, you might wonder where your Bitcoin will go once your purchase is complete. Well, it will be deposited into your exchange account, and from there, you can transfer it to your digital wallet for safekeeping. So, what happens after the purchase? You'll receive a confirmation notice, either through email or directly on the platform. This will detail the amount of Bitcoin purchased, the price you paid, and the fees charged by the exchange. Remember, the value of Bitcoin can fluctuate wildly, so don't be alarmed if the value of your purchase goes up or down. It's all part of the adventure of owning cryptocurrencies. Congratulations! You've just bought your first Bitcoin. Buying Bitcoin is only the first step. Now you need to know how to manage and secure your investment. In the world of digital currency, security is paramount. Bitcoin, just like any other valuable asset, can be a target for theft. But fear not, because there are effective ways to protect your Bitcoin from potential threats. Firstly, let's talk about two-factor authentication, often abbreviated as 2FA. This is an extra layer of security for your Bitcoin wallet. When 2FA is activated, it requires not only your password and username, but also something that only you have on your person, like a piece of information only you should know or have immediately on hand, say, a physical token. This prevents anyone but you from accessing your Bitcoin, even if they have your password. Next, don't forget to regularly update your wallet software. This is crucial because wallet developers constantly work to find and fix vulnerabilities. By updating your wallet software, you're keeping your Bitcoin as safe as possible from any newly discovered threats. Then there's the matter of backing up your wallet. Just like you back up important files on your computer, you should regularly back up your Bitcoin wallet. This protects you against computer failures and many human mistakes. It can also help you recover your wallet after your mobile or computer was stolen if you keep your backups in multiple locations. And remember, your backup should be encrypted for an extra layer of security. But remember, security also involves being mindful of where and how you use your Bitcoin. Be cautious of unknown or untrusted networks when making transactions, and never share your private keys with anyone. Finally, it's important to note that managing your Bitcoin isn't just about security. It's also about understanding the market, staying informed about trends, and making informed decisions about when to hold on to your Bitcoin and when to sell. With these tips, you can ensure that your Bitcoin is safe. But more than that, you're taking an active role in managing your investment, which can make your Bitcoin journey even more rewarding. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We began our journey with an introduction to Bitcoin, the world's first decentralized digital currency. From there, we transitioned into the exciting world of digital wallets, exploring the steps to set one up and the importance they hold in the Bitcoin buying process. Next, we delved into the realm of Bitcoin exchanges. We talked about how to choose a reliable exchange, considering factors such as security, fees, and user-friendliness. Once we had our digital wallet and exchange ready, we moved on to the actual process of buying Bitcoin, demystifying what can often seem like a daunting task for beginners. Lastly, we examined the critical aspects of managing and securing your Bitcoin. We emphasized the importance of keeping your digital assets safe and highlighted some best practices to do so. And that's how you buy Bitcoin. Remember, investing in Bitcoin, like any investment, comes with risks. Always do your research and invest wisely. Thanks for watching.